Is anyone thirsty? Because I got some nice, delicious green. Well, you might not be thirsty for it, but I can tell you what is thirsty for it. After 48 hours, of course. Right now, I'm gonna add some molasses to this. See what I got here. Just set it there, Frank. I got my molasses. I got my onion peel water, or tea, is what it's called actually. Well, bam, molasses. I'm actually gonna mix this up right here. And it's, I'm gonna put some molasses in there first, because that helps with the microbiology. I believe I have that right. And so they will eat the molasses and they will grow, they'll reproduce essentially. There'll be more and more, which will help to feed the plants. And then I'm also going to add some molasses to this. I just started this here about 4 hours ago. And look how rich that is. Essentially, it'll turn into a goldish color, brown gold color. And I want to say they call it liquid gold. The Amish use this trick. But everybody, years ago, before we all got hooked on the grocery store, used to do this all the time. We'd take our grass clippings. When I say we, I mean we as in people 100 years ago. And they'd mix in some, probably other things as well, but they'd mix some molasses in there, maybe even a little bit of compost, grass, let it brew for a couple of days, and then they dilute it, probably 1 part, depending on what you're doing, what you're pouring it on, etc. Anywhere between 1 part of this liquid gold, once it's all brewed up, that is, to about 2 parts of water, up to about 4 parts of water or more, depending on the plant. Could be even a 1 to 10 mixture. I'm going to err on the side of caution, so I'm going to do a 1 to 10. And I'm going to spread it, well, not spread it, but I'm going to water all my plants, as many of them as I can, especially the ones that need it more than the rest, like my cucumber plants. And for now, I'm going to mix this up because this is ready. And there, which is 1 part of the onion peel water to 1 to 1. It's 1 to 1, 1 to 2. I'm just going to go ahead and do 1 to 2 because it ain't going to hurt it to be a little more diluted. And it'll keep my plants from becoming burnt. So that's what I'm working on. I'll use that bucket, mix it, and I'm going to use that and hit the plants that need it the most. And then in about roughly 40 hours from now, I'm going to be able to use this, and I should hopefully be able to water almost everything in the garden, especially what needs it the most. I did get a good rain yesterday, so that helped things out a lot around here.